Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn a breathing technique using our sense of smell. So the first thing that I want you to do is find a place where you can sit down comfortably. Once you're seated, I want you to stretch your spine up straight so that you're sitting up nice and tall. And then I want you to take a big breath in all the way into your belly. And exhale. Okay, now I need you to use your imagination and pretend that a huge tray of brownies has just come out of the oven and it's right in front of you. And with your imagination, I want you to pick up one of those brownies and bring it up towards your face. And I want you to smell the brownie. And then I want you to cool the brownie off by blowing through your mouth. So we're going to do that again. We're going to smell the brownie. And we're going to cool it off. And one last time, smell the brownie. And cool it off. And place your imaginary brownie back on the table in front of you. You can do this activity anytime that you need to throughout the day if you need help calming down or relaxing. And you can also do it with anything you'd like to smell. You can pretend you have pizza or a beautiful flower or anything that you'd like. Thank you.